me. Just let here go. Beautiful. Wow. How'd that feel?
You're getting sleepy.
Yeah. That's awesome. Let's come down into me. And just let the head drop. Let it drop. So, wow. Okay, you're gonna feel a nice stretch here, okay? Let's go ahead, deep breath in. Let it all go. Just nudging the body, relax to the table.
Oh my gosh.
That was amazing. How'd that feel?
Really good.
Good. It's really short on that left side. Now, any pain as I press down, please let me know.
Yep.
Left side or right side?
Right side.
Okay. All right, so we're going to start right in this mid back here, okay? Let's go ahead, deep breath in. All the way out. Just let the body relax. Very good. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Perfect. Good. Deep breath in, all the way out. Beautiful. That was a good one. So just rotate you back a bit. Okay, deep breath in, all the way out. And just let here go. Beautiful. That was awesome. You'll feel a little bit of release of the foot as well.
Oh.
Very good.